Hello friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and today I'm going to make video on how you can set the folder directory in Creoparametric. So this is the second video of this tutorial, and the first one was on introduction, and this is second one video in which we are going to focus on how you can set the folder directory. So first of all, first of all you have to open your Creoparametric. Okay, I have opened here you can see. Okay, just open this. You can see this the window as first screen on your desktop. So what you have to do, first of all, here in the left side you can see your my PC. Okay, here you can say Rahul Chaudhary dash PC. Okay, means after clicking this you can able to see your drives where every time you used to save your files. Okay, so you have experienced like every time you are going to save the same file in that path or the another different files. If you created one file from the Creo and you have to save that by clicking that path again and again. Okay, every time you have to save that in a particular folder. Okay, so if you do this setting to your Creoparametric, so it will be automatically saved to that created folder. There is not need to save and click on that particular path. Okay, so here we go, and we'll show you. Now I would like to save all the videos and all the tutorials whatever I perform on Creoparametric, which must be saved in this F drive. So click on F drive and then just right click and create a new folder. Okay, so I will create as a Creoparametric tutorial. Okay, just click on OK. Here you can see the folder is created by Creoparametric tutorial. In this again just create new folder like video 1, or you can say tutorial 1. Tutorial dash 1, and just click on the OK. Here you can see this second folder is created. Again click on this Creoparametric and again go to this PC. Just click on this where you have created folder F drive. Click on this F drive, and I have created this this Creoparametric tutorial folder. Just click on that and then right click on that, and just here you will find this set working directory. Just click on set working directory like this. Okay, now after clicking this, every file is going to save or automatically take this path for saving the all Creo models whatever you have created. Okay, like this. So this is the process, and I will explain you through an example. So let's be with me, and for creating new part, just click on the file, click on the new, then one window will be pop up like this. Here are different options where we are going to perform the work and learn the lessons. Okay, so by default it will be on this part type and solid type. Okay, so then here file name, you can type your file name. By default it's PRT0001. Okay, as you wanted, as per your requirement or your whatever the demand and whatever the customer data or whatever the file you are going to, you can rename here. Okay, then just unclick on this use default template. The question will arise in your mind that why we should unclick. After unclick and OK, one again window will pop up here. So from that you can change the unit, whatever the part you are going to create. If you wanted whether in the millimeter or the inches, so this is the previous setting you have to do. If I wanted to make this part by using millimeter dimension, so here is the millimeters, just click on the millimeters and then click on the OK. The system is generating the interface where I am going to work. So this is the interface and the window, the basic view of this Creoparametric 5.0. okay, so the introduction of this, all the first screen I will give later. First of all I will show you how the working directory works. Okay, so let me just give you some brief or some basics. Like here in this interface you can able to see these different planes. These are the different planes, okay, as highlighting here. If you move your cursor over there, so it's showing right datum plane, and this is the top datum plane, and this is the front datum plane. Means as usual, if you are from this technical background, you very well know what are the front view, top view and side view of the specific object. Here are these axis, x axis, y axis and z axis by default. Okay, if you click on this right axis, it will directly, here you can see it is indicated by green color. If you go click on this top plane, then the top plane is indicated by this green color. If you click on the front command, the front plane is automatically colored by green color. Okay, so on which plane you want to work, you can select like this. Okay, just click on the front plane, it is getting the green color, and after that you just have to click on the model. In the model ribbon itself, this whole window or this whole rectangular portion is called as ribbon. Okay, or all the commands are positioned here. Okay, so after clicking model, here you can see the sketch command is over here. So just click on the sketch, because I am going to create the sketch for explaining how the file you can create your first file of the Creo, and how you can save automatically to your working directory. Okay, so let's be with me. Only after watching this all the commands step by step and basic, you will never get any problem during working on Creo. Okay, so here the sketch tab is opened, and here you can observe the two lines are created over here. Okay, this is the working plane of my which front plane orientation, but it's not in a proper manner like in the sketch view. We have to make into sketch view. Here is the command sketch view, orient the sketching plane parallel to the screen. Okay, so first of all, if you are going to create any sketch, so first of all you need to be a plain and clear plane. Okay, like just I am going to click over there, whatever the changes you can observe, just click on this command. Here you can see the system has generated the clear and cut view of the front plane. Okay, so I will again just click on the model, and here you can see most of the commands are invisible. Okay, because for this situation I am unable to use that command. Okay, I am in the sketch phase. Okay, so click on the sketch. Now here you can see all commands are colored and active. Okay, this indicates all commands having the color indicates they are in active phase. Okay, so just click on the sketch, and next I will take the center line. Okay, just click on center line. Here you can see you can observe this cursor. I will directly going to draw from this to this. Okay, so what we to do, just click on this cursor this side. Here you can see center line is generated, but one point is fixed and another point is not fixed, whether we would like to make a vertical or horizontal. I wanted to make it horizontal, so I have already fixed one point over there by clicking the cursor. Okay, and again, and then the next I will fix the in vertical. Click this cursor. Okay, and after that, this command is still active. I can again draw the center line. Okay, just take this first point, center line is created, first point I have fixed. Now for second point, go to horizontal direction and click the next point for the positioning. Okay, now this T command is still active. Okay, so now you wanted to escape or to stop this command working. Okay, you just need to click on your cursor. Okay, you just have to press the middle button of your mouse. After that, this command will be completed and in active phase. Okay, here you can see the plane arrow. Now I have drawn these center lines. Next, what I do, click on the sketch, and for just showing the purpose of the working directory, I will just take any circle. Okay, the center point. Okay, here I have took the center command. Now the system is asking to press or specify the any location where I will the system will generate the circle. So first of all, just take this point, center point, and the circle is started like this. Okay, as much as longer you pull this cursor, the circle is going to larger and larger. Okay, and the next is we have to fix the second point of the circle. Okay, like this. I am just dragging out, in and out, so size of the circle is going to reduce and increased. Okay, I have increased this much and just click. Okay, this gets fixed over here. Okay, this the system has drawn the circle. Okay, now this next process is just you have to, if you double click on your middle button of your mouse, which is the cursor, one time press, this dimension automatically gets generated by the system. Okay, here you can see the diameter of the circle is automatically generated and showing here. If you want to change the diameter, just go there, double click, the Creoparametric is edited this dimension as I required, or I wanted to make 500 diameter, put over there and enter. Here you can see system has generated the 500 diameter for me. Okay, so I have just created a basic or simple example of this, and I am just going to click on OK. Okay, you just have to keep in mind, you have to click on OK. The sketch is completed for this condition. Okay, and then just click on the model and click on the extrude button. After clicking on extrude, this sketch is in the getting in the extrude phase. Okay, just press your cursor and move around this point. Here you can see, by pressing your cursor and moving here and there, you can move your object here and there like this. Okay, the sample object is being created for getting the concept. Okay, so this current we are in the extrude phase, object is being extrude. Then next click on this green tick mark for OK purpose. Okay, and finalization. Okay, now this is the basic process to create any object in Creo. Okay, now I have to save my created file. Okay, so just click on the file and just click on the save button. Okay, so this create one window, rectangular pop-up will be there, window will be open by taking this path as I have already set in the F drive Creoparametric tutorial. okay, and in the whether I wanted to save in tutorial 1 or tutorial 2. Okay, okay, so this is, as you have now got the concept what actually I would like to deliver to you or convey to you. Okay, it is not required to for created, if I have created a thousands of parts. Okay, so for every part I am going to select the path and directories, so it will be take too much time per every drawings. So this is the very best way to reduce your work, to save your files in automatic path. Okay, and then just save to click on the OK. Your part is being saved to that folder. For checking, I will directly show you. Go to your file manager, click on this PC where we have set the path in the F drive. Just click on the F drive, and which folder was that? Creoparametric tutorial. Click on that. Here you can see the part is saved by the part 001. Okay, like this. So this is the main funda and the main purpose of the making this video. If you like the videos, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the updates and notifications of my channel. Okay, thank you very much friends for watching the video.